Hello gardening and farming enthusiasts. Today we're venturing into the world of the black-breasted Old English game hen, a remarkable and historical poultry breed with a legacy that spans centuries. These hens are known for their striking appearance and rich history, but before we dive into this captivating exploration, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights. The black-breasted Old English game hen, often referred to as simply Old English game hen, has a history that reaches back to ancient Britain. These birds were originally bred for cockfighting and were among the earliest domesticated poultry breeds. Over time, they transitioned into expedition and ornamental birds. Black-breasted Old English game hens are small and compact birds known for their elegant and refined appearance. They come in many colors and they have a striking black breast or neck, contrasting usually with a white or cream colored body. Their personalities are known for being alert and spirited. To successfully raise black-breasted Old English game hens, you'll need a well-maintained coop or shelter that provides protection from the elements. They are hardy birds that adapt well to various climates. Providing clean water and balanced diet is essential for their overall health. Black-breasted Old English game hens are known for their spirited nature, which can make them competitive in mixed flocks. They are often kept with other poultry breeds, but their strong personalities may require careful management to maintain harmony. Black-breasted Old English game hens are primarily valued as ornamental and expedition birds. They are not known for prolific egg production or meat quality. Instead, they are treasured for their striking appearance and historical significance in the world of poultry. And there you have it, a glimpse into the world of the black-breasted Old English game hen. These elegant and historical birds with roots in ancient Britain and a legacy of grace. From their striking appearance to their role as ornamental and exhibition birds, they bring a touch of history to any poultry yard. If you found this exploration as fascinating as we did, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more engaging species on our channel.